Hey everyone, want to earn real money online from your website, blog, or even social media traffic? Then stay with me because today I'll show you how to monetize your traffic using MoneyTag. So, what do you mean by MoneyTag? I will explain each and everything in depth in this video. And it is a global ad platform that help creators and website earns more even though smart hyping ads. I will show you each and everything in this particular video. So let's get into this and surf the website and I will tell you each and everything. So first of all, we are on the website which is moneytag.com. So what is actually MoneyTag? MoneyTag is a platform that lets you earn from every type of traffic, websites, blogs, apps, and even social media. And it's trusted by publishers worldwide because it's high CPM rates. And if you ask to me that first, what is CPM? So CPM stands for cost per minute. Even for example, if you have a website and I want to click to that website and I am surfing for that particular 1 minute and the ads are popping out onto that particular website, which exactly making you money. Okay, so this is called CPM rates. So in MoneyTag, there is high CPM rates, fast payouts, and even though multiple ad formats. Right. So I will tell you each and everything with an example. Even though there will be a smart link in MoneyTag where you can push it all over around your website or blog or whatever it is, and you can even thus earn highest money over it. Let's get it. And even from this particular website, there is high earnings. And even though the best part is MoneyTags offer high CPM rates, as I told you before, and because they partner with top advertisers globally, e-commerce, finance, apps, and more. And even though the payout starts from just $5, even though most of the website I have seen before, they just offer you the payout from $100 and $10 even. And even though, as you can see, even YouTube follows that rule because you can even withdraw payment after you will approve or reach the payment threshold, which is basically $100. So with weekly payments through PayPal, crypto, and other payment methods, you can get your payment very easily. Okay, so I will tell you each and everything over this particular website. Right, so let's get into this. This is the website we can see. Okay, so this is the referral program and this is the ad format. There is a smart link. Okay, so get into this smart link kind of thing because we are gonna talk about smart link each and everything in this particular video. So how it works, all the details have been listed over here. Whenever user clicks on your smart link, which is generated by you, automatically you can control and manage with MoneyTag Smart Dashboard. So when a user clicks on that particular smart link, the user data is transferred and AI algorithms analyze the data and user preference according to the geolocation and device you are using. Right. So user is redirected to the user sees the most relevant and converting offer. So how this works, all the things have been listed in their website. So as you can see, I have told you before, they offers high CPMs, optimized algorithm, and even the weekly payouts. Okay, so who can benefit from SmartLink? Even those site owners, social publishers, affiliates, and media buyers, and everyone is earning from that particular link. So it is a cross network kind of thing. And even if I talk about the safe quality ads, so every ad goes through a strict moderation. No scams, no adult or harmful content. You and your visitors always stay 100% safe. I will show you some articles regarding the MoneyTag that how actually they care about publishers. Wait. These are the blogs, even you can read whatever blog you want to read. Okay, so the major part comes is how to register into MoneyTag, right? How to monetize your traffic. I will explain you each and everything. Even though if you want to earn directly, you can simply sign up by clicking on that particular MoneyTag website. For example, right now I am here, which is moneytag.com. Sorry, I have opened the blog page. So this is the proper MoneyTag thing. We can absolutely sign up onto the web page as I am doing right now. So you can sign up and fill all the details according to your need. I am signing in up with Google, so I will hide that part. Add the tag to your website and start earning from ads show to your audience. Social traffic, monetize your social media posts, reels, shorts, TikTok, and other content without direct links. and I will choose this option for now. And there will be also another type of URLs as well. After moving forward, we are on our direct dashboard page. As you can see, there is direct click option and there is a lot of options over here. You can see there is also a referral program. We will talk about this later. So on that particular statistics, you can even see that what type of network and link you are getting and you are getting profit from where, right? See earnings and cost per minute rates over statistics page. And even though there is a direct smart link which instantly you can get the link over here, we can move on to the sites where you can get the ad site, and we will add the website URL. For example, we can add any websites, for example www.google.com. Why not? Let's see what we get from here. Okay, look. So this is the website. This is not verified right now, but feel free to add your website. It is not, make sure your website must be free from hosted domain. It is not a torrent site. Basically, it is not a valid site, but still, there is verification also needed. You can verify from here and you can apply for verification over here like that. Okay. So what is the referral program over here? Even if you have to generate the smart link, you can generate right from here. As you can see, that particular status of this website is not verified. You can get verified, and after that you can even click the generate the smart link from this particular dashboard, right? You can just copy your link, paste it in your bio or post and drive traffic and earn money. These are the 3 simple steps to get into. Let me check the video is recording or not. Yes, it is very smooth. Okay, after that we should talk about the referral program. Wait, this is the referral program we are heading into. You can even earn the 5% of the referrals by recommending us. Share the link with your referral, and even though your referral money joins MoneyTag and you get rewarded, you will earn 5% of the referrals value. Even if I refer you, you can even check the MoneyTag from my particular website, which is linked in the description. And after clicking to that particular thing, you can even head to the creator kind of thing. You can accept the agreement over here, just like me doing. Okay, so here we go. And after that, it's about the smart link. You can monetize social traffic. If you don't have a website, no problem. With smart link, you can earn from your social media traffic too. How can you do that? You just have to copy your post or profile Instagram link or Twitter link or Facebook link or whatever it is. When someone clicks that particular link, view ads and you get paid. And ads will be very eco-friendly and not vulgar and adult content as well. Very secure, safe kind of thing. Okay, because MoneyTag partners with a lot of advertisers right now. So if we talk about that, why creators love MoneyTag the most? Because MoneyTag gives freedom. You can monetize any audience from any country with fast payments and 24/7 support. It's perfect for bloggers, YouTubers, or anybody who wants to turn their traffic into profit, like me. So what are you waiting for? Click in the link description, register on MoneyTag and start earning today. And if you use my referral link, you will help and support this channel by starting your own income journey. Click that particular website, you can click on the sign up, and here we go. The link is in description. We will meet you next time.